I sneezed and something answered from the attic. I was home alone for Christmas, and my mom was out of town visiting my brother. And we had this huge snowstorm, so I couldn't even go to my friend's house. So I was just home alone, drinking hot cocoa, watching movies, having a great time. And then all of a sudden, out of nowhere, I sneezed. It sounded like someone was in the attic. I'm not even kidding. Then all of a sudden, boo. My dog started barking like crazy. Then the footsteps stopped. You guys, I swear this happened. I was like, hello, is anyone there? And then I heard footsteps in the attic. Now mind you, my mom is out of town. My brother is in his room playing video games. Nobody is home. And then I started to hear scratching and shuffling up here. What do you think happened in that attic? Let me know in the comments down below.